Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the scrolling text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and let's say we are making a credits right here, and we wanted to have the rolling or scrolling effect. And just like this one, so I have here some text of names, just an example on how we can do this. So this is an example, but you can put your own right here, and you can change the font and so on to make it look better. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this one roll. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is have this essential graphics. So if you don't have essential graphics tab, you need to go into the window and make sure that you have your essential graphics right here checked. And now you can see that your essential graphics, all that's left is to select the text that you have right here. So select the text, and then you want to click here on roll right here. And just like that, we have now the scrolling effect. When we play it, it will now look like this. And yeah, that is very, very easy, right? And you can change the speed of the rolling by simply dragging this right here. The longer your duration here in the timeline, the longer it's gonna scroll, or the slower it will go right here. So if I make it shorter, it will be so much faster right here, as you can see right here. So let's just wait for it and play it again. As you can see, it's really fast, just like that, compared to when I make it longer, it would be really, really slow. So let's just, as you can see, it's really slow. So that is basically how you can do this rolling effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.